If you're trying to figure out how to collect internal feedback from employees or teams quickly and effectively, you're in the right place. Most people overcomplicate this, but by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple yet powerful feedback system. And I'll also share access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only available through this channel. So stick around. After testing the most popular tools out there, I found that collecting feedback boils down to three things: ease of use, anonymity, and timing. If any one of those is off, your feedback system won't work. Start by clarifying what you actually want to learn from your team. Are you trying to improve team culture, streamline workflows, or evaluate leadership? Be specific. Vague questions get vague answers. Next, use structured questions. Mix in multiple choice, sliders, and a few open-ended prompts. Keep it short, 5 questions max. If you're using the software we'll be working with, it's super easy to drag and drop question types, set conditions, and even automate reminders, so nothing slips through. Now, the big one, anonymity. You'll get 10x more honest responses if team members know their names aren't attached. Our recommended software makes this effortless, and it even flags sentiment trends automatically, which saves you hours of reading and analysis. Timing matters. Don't wait for an annual review cycle. Pulse surveys every 2 to 4 weeks. Keep your finger on the pulse without overwhelming your team. With this software, you can set these up once and let it run in the background. Once feedback starts rolling in, look for patterns, not isolated comments. For example, if 3 people mention unclear communication, that's a signal worth acting on. The tool we're using automatically highlights common themes using AI, so you don't have to manually sift through every response. Here's a tip most people miss: close the loop. Once you collect feedback, share what you've learned and what actions you're taking. Even a simple internal email or Slack message builds trust and shows your team their voice matters. Key takeaway: the goal of collecting internal feedback from employees or teams isn't just to gather data. It's to create a culture where people feel heard and improvements actually happen. Quick recap: define your goal, keep surveys short and structured, ensure anonymity, use consistent timing, look for patterns, and always close the loop. All of this becomes effortless when you use the right tool, and the software we're using makes it frictionless from start to finish. If you want to follow along or implement this right now, check out the description for an exclusive free trial, only available through my channel. Don't miss it.